guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I would like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Got a tortilla wrap here. I have avocado, a mashed avocado here. I have my salad here. So I have carrots, cabbage, and lettuce in my salad I'll be using. I have chicken breast here, which is already cooked. I have tomato ketchup here, and this is mayonnaise. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna spread my my tortilla wrap with some avocado, with the mashed avocado. I'll be spreading that with the mashed avocado as a base. So I'll be making my shawarma wrap now. So I'll be using mayonnaise with tomato ketchup. So I'll be just be adding an equal amount of that to each. I'll give it a quick mix. Mix that all together. So this is what we want to, achieve in terms of the shawarma sauce. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of ketchup into it now, and then mix it together just to. Okay. So I'm gonna add my chicken breast into the salad, and then I'll be adding my sauce on top on it, and I'll give it a mix. I'm just gonna mix it together. Sorry guys. Mix it all together. So this is my mixed shawarma filling. So I'll be placing that in the middle of the wrap. You have to be careful not to push too much fillings into it, so at least you'll be able to close your wrap perfectly. And that should be enough. So pay attention to how I'm going to do the wrap, because it's a bit tricky. Tuck that in, keep tucking it in. You've got your shawarma. So I'm gonna put it on the fire and just heat it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna put that there, and then allow it to to toast for about 5 seconds and turn it around again. So this is what we want to get in terms of the wrap. So guys, the shawarma is ready. Look at that.